Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay Wike. I'm a local realtor, and this is the Living in Jacksonville, Florida channel. Today we are back at the shores at RiverTown. This is a Toll Brothers community, exclusively Toll Brothers, the only builder in here. This is a gated community, and they build Riverview townhomes. They also build single-family homes. Today, I'm going to cover the single-family homes. If you want to check out the townhomes, take a look at that thumbnail. And it's Riverview Townhomes is pretty much the title of that one. Anyway, today we're going to check out some beautiful single-family homes. They have the Atlantic series and the Gulf series. The Gulf series is the larger of the two. I'm going to turn around so you can get a look back there. So that's a pond right behind me here. That's a retention pond, and beyond that is the St. Johns River. And that's what this community is all about. You're not living literally right on the river, but you're living very near the river. This has its own boat slips that are going to be available. It has its own pier. Living in this community, you have the rights through the CDD, of course, to the River Club, the River House, and the River Lodge. Plus there's a Paws Dog Park. The public schools in this area, you can look them up on niche.com. They are very highly rated, let's just say that. So I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of a beautiful model home in the Gulf series, and I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of a quick move-in home in the Atlantic series, and you're going to want to stick around because we're getting after it right now. Now we're going to do a walkthrough of this beautiful model home. It's a Kepler Craftsman. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. It's 3,061 square feet with a 2-car garage. This is part of the Gulf series. So they have the Gulf series and the Atlantic series. And I'm going to start you off with a bang with the Gulf series. So let's go. Okay, you have this beautiful front porch with a nice place to sit and look out onto the St. Johns River beyond. Of course, they have hardy lap siding on the exterior of this home and full guttering around. You have 8-foot door openings and that beautiful transom window up above. And this home has 2 bedrooms downstairs and 3 bedrooms upstairs. All right, this is bedroom number 1. And we have 10-foot ceilings in this home. So it's really super nice high ceilings. This is your first full bathroom, and this has tile all the way up to the ceilings. Moving forward here, we have this nice secluded setback area, which they have set up for an office or a study area. They have really nice wall sconce lighting too. Tilt the camera all the way up so you get the full benefit of how high the ceilings are in here. Totally gorgeous home. I love this wood on the walls here. Coming forward and to the right, this will be the entrance from your 2-car garage. This is a laundry room with a nice sink already set up here and cabinetry. And you have an additional closet here. And it looks like they've got some fishing gear stored there. And moving forward, we have this beautiful kitchen with gourmet wall ovens, cabinets up to the ceilings, huge kitchen island here. That'll be your pantry area. And they went with the floating shelves on this wall and a huge amount of tile. Gorgeous. This is a natural gas community, so you're gonna have your gas burner cooktop and tankless hot water heater. Beautiful farm sink. They've got nice exposed beams here and a tray ceiling. They've got this set up obviously for dining over here. Beautiful living area here on the first floor. Take a look at the backyard quickly here. We've got it set up with a putting green. We've got AstroTurf back there. I always call it AstroTurf because they used to use it in the Astrodome way back when in Houston. We have the primary suite, which is on the first floor. Beautiful windows overlooking your backyard. Nice preserved view. And beautiful tray ceiling with exposed beams in here. We've got a full-size soaking tub. Beautiful plumbing fixtures. There's your linen closet. Nice frameless walk-in shower. Double sinks. And I don't mean to take you in a dark closet, but you don't have the lights on in here at the moment. Of course, your home would have very nice lighting in here. And I'm going to meet you at the top of the stairs. We are at the top of the stairs, and you can see they come up to a nice landing. You take one step and you come on up the rest of the way. They have nice hardwood treads, hardwood railing, and cast iron spindles. You have this really nice loft area up here as soon as you get to the top of the stairs. This is where your air handler is, your HVAC. This will be your third bedroom. Coming up the hallway, you have a linen closet and another full bathroom with dual sinks. Water closet and a tub shower combination with tile up to the ceiling. Here we have bedroom number 4. The 5th bedroom. Now I'm going to show you a quick move-in home. This is from the Atlantic series. This home is called the Tideland Craftsman. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,801 square feet. And the homes in here, I've failed to mention it before, but you probably noticed, they all have pavered driveways and pavered back patios. Let's check this one out. Nice front porch. And you have your 8-foot door openings. This home has solid surface flooring. You see the nice high ceilings. We're gonna make a turn to the right. This would be the entrance in from your 2-car garage. In this home, they are still in the process of finishing this one up, but I wanted to make sure you could see it because it is a quick move-in and it's available now. I'm going to make a turn to the right. Here you have a full bathroom with a tub shower combination. They have carpeting in this bedroom. And nice doors. And that protective covering on the carpet makes a lovely sound. This is bedroom number 2. Where your air handler is, your HVAC. On the right is your laundry room. They have nice cabinets installed in here. They have beautiful windows all along this hallway, so you have lots of natural light coming in. Now we are approaching the kitchen and the main living area. Turning to our right, beautiful tiled backsplash with these white shaker cabinets. Nice vented range hood. This is set up for wall ovens. That's your pantry. Continuing on to the main living area. Have this really nice tray ceiling with can lights. Really nice sized backyard. And this has pavers. Looking forward to the front of the home. And now we are in the primary bedroom. With a tray ceiling. Looking out onto your nice backyard. Water closets in here, dual sinks, and get a look at this shower. Wow. Very nice. And here's the master closet. Primary closet. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the Toll Brothers community, the Shores at RiverTown here in St. Johns County in St. Johns, Florida. We're going to put my phone number and email address up on the screen. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be the person that reaches back out to you. And remember, whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to the Jacksonville, Florida area and the suburbs. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jacks.